Hello, 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 hello mga ka-YouTube. Kumusta naman kayo dyan? I am here in my friend's house celebrating her birthday last August 7 since nag-duty siya sa London. Ngayon lang kami nagkikita. Yeah? She is my friend.
Nag-chismis ka na naman.
This is from YouTube. Okay, this is for YouTube. Kaya hindi ka makikita masyado.
No.
Okay, happy birthday, my dear. Hope you have more birthdays to come.
Inaano mo ba ako?
Yeah.
Oh,
More years to celebrate and more candles to blow. Pero wala tayong candle eh. Wala tayong cake eh. So ngayon, yung ating celebrant, busy-busy sa pag-prepare ng kanyang pagkain para sa aming dalawa. Tsaka may darating pa yung kanyang love of my life. So ito po guys ang kanyang bahay. Ang ganda, 'di ba? So cute. 'Di ba ganda?
Puro nakasabi.
Ang ganda oh.
Puro may nakasabi.
Tsaka ito yung background ng kanilang bahay sa likod. May garden diyan. Okay guys. So, mag-house tour tayo. Ito yung kanyang... No. Kanyang house decor. Ikaw na lang.
Ano?
So, I want to sing happy birthday to you, my dear.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear, it's me.
You're welcome.
Okay?
Kain na tayo.
Yes. Gutom na rin ako. Ito guys, ang kanilang bahay. Ang ganda. Very cute. Yeah.
Mahal, gusto mo magkamay?
Pwede rin. Nahugas naman ako eh.
Oh, yes.
Okay guys, at saka yung mga halaman niya. Ang ganda ng kanyang halaman.
Ano pa rito? Ay, punta ako na yun.
Tingnan mo guys, kasosyal ng kanyang plancha guys. Wala akong masabi. Sosyal ng kanyang plancha. Grabe no?
Yun ang gusto ni Jane, dahil ko, kailan ba naman ako makaka-uwi, bebe?
Ganda. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it.
Let's go.
And we will start eating. To full our stomach, we have to eat a lot. Okay? Happy birthday once again. May you have more birthdays to come. Okay? And let's enjoy. Ang dami naman yan, Wala akong masabi, day. Tignan po nga yung chicken namin, guys, dalawa lang kami kakain, ha. Pero ang aming chicken dami. Pati yung aming, french fries. Okay, yung aming rice. Okay. Ako na. Wala ka man lang, sausawan.
Ano bang gusto mo sausawan?
Wala tayong ketchup. Okay, guys, ito. Ketchup. Ito yung aming Fanta. Saka 7-Up. Okay, once again, sa hindi pa na-subscribe, go to Miss Anyuki Vlog. Try to make comments, like, watch the whole video, and share to all your friends. Okay? Thank you very much.